morning and welcome back. This is day number 7. This is our second last day in Albufeira. Okay, the plan is we have three options. We'll either go to Lagos or we'll go to Scavera, or there is another place in Albufeira only. It's the old town. जहाँ पे if you remember day 1 जब हम आए थे, we were looking at the view from the cliff. It was a pretty little white town. That's also near. That's about 15 minutes away from here. Because Albufeira was supposed to be the most relaxing part of the trip. So हमने ज़्यादा ऐसे major कोई itinerary नहीं बनाई कि आज यहाँ जाना है, कल वहाँ जाना है. So far it's been really good. It's been relaxing. So we're enjoying the home chilling. स्मॉल अपडेट ऑल्सो. ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि हम बाहर आएँ, एयरबीएनबी बुक करें और कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. सो एज यू कैन सी इस रूम का थोड़ा नक्शा बदला हुआ है. यहाँ पे एक मैट्रेस था. सो दिस रूम इज़ इन द बेसमेंट. दिस इज़ द लोअर बेसमेंट रूम. यहाँ पे पल्लवी एंड आई वर स्टेइंग. एंड हमारे बेड के डायरेक्ट ऊपर देयर इज़ अ विंडो जो खुली रहती है. तो इन द मॉर्निंग एट 7 o'clock देयर इज़ डायरेक्ट सनलाइट कमिंग इन. अभी मैंने सिर्फ थोड़ी सी लाइट जलाई हुई है, फिर भी द रूम इज़ सो मच ब्राइट. जो इनका लिविंग रूम है, हम वहाँ पे वी आर मेकिंग आवर बेड. सो दिस रूम इज़ नॉट अ रूम फॉर द नेक्स्ट 2 days. वैसे कल हमने रात को ही लगा लिया था वहाँ पे बेडिंग. आवर अरेंजमेंट. दिस इज़ वेयर वी हैव केप्ट आवर मैट्रेस. So finally we are leaving now. सबके outfits finally decide हो गए, change हो गए, check हो गए. Let's go.
We have reached. We are in नहीं क्या नाम जगह का नाम क्या है?
Carvero.
So we have reached Carvera now. It's another beach city, very small city. Famous for cliffs at the beach. So we'll have to just go and see whether there are good enough cliffs or not.
And it looks very
It's a nice cliff. This is the beach.
These are called the Alfredo Secco or something like that.
So we're at the Alfredo Secco or something like that.
No, we are at Carvera. We are walking down the Carvera street.
Walking up.
Up the Carvera street.
down the
Sorry,
Carvera.
yes. Tomorrow, in any case, we have that full day tour that we're going to do. We're going to take you guys through that. Yesterday also, we did the tuk-tuk rickshaw tour.
We are gonna. तू चला रही है ship
हाँ.
So हमारी 10 मिनट की तो अपहिल ट्रैक हो चुकी है. And I think we're about to reach the cliff. I can see the ocean from here. We're almost there. How beautiful the ocean is looking from here. The views are really beautiful from here. It's like a big cliff, and you can oversee the entire coastal line of Albufeira, the Algarve region, and it's really beautiful. And I can also spot like one of those cruises. I think it's a Royal Caribbean cruise or something like that. Now we've reached the top of the cliff, and यहाँ पे they've made a trek, and this is the entire map where all you can go. Right now we're here. We're going to cross this entire trail and end up somewhere there. So let's go.
I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time, 'cause now I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving on.
This is the southern western coast of Portugal. So Portugal is like if Europe, if you're looking at the European map like this, Portugal is at the westernmost part, but Lagos is the southernmost part of Portugal, the southwestern part of Portugal. That's where we are right now. Coastline is just looking superb. It's the water is the color of the water, turquoise blue, light blue, dark blue. You can make out that you know, there'll be cliffs underneath, and if you look at those honeycomb caves, the shape of their entire cave have been made because of the wind. बहुत सुंदर है. And I also spotted one of those cruises. तो हन्नी मामा का भी ऐसा ही सेम क्रूज है. वो मेरे को बता रहे थे जाने से पहले कि their cruise also takes a stop at Portugal. But although they don't come inside of Portugal, but they dock here and they also enjoy it. Mama has also seen the entire coastline of Portugal and Spain. Europe में what I've realized, people live a very slow life. मतलब they wake up आराम से, कोई ऐसे मतलब हसल करने का किसी को अंदर से मन भी नहीं है. आई थिंक 4-5 बजे they call it a day. बाहर निकल के वॉक करते हैं, चिल करते हैं. They have their wine, they listen to nice music and they end their day on the beach. और ऐसी किसी जगह में आके खुश रहते हैं लोग. It's like now we've come to the other side of the cliff. यहाँ से भी views are superb. But यहाँ से cliffs ज़्यादा दिख रही हैं, है ना पल्लवी? It's a better view. I think today we've come to the right area of the Algarve region. Now that the sun is out, people are also out. They're at the beach, अपनी picnic कर रहे हैं. Somebody is going inside the water. The water also looks very approachable today. So after looking at the water and the beach, I couldn't resist. So I quickly bought these swimming shorts and I also got a beach ball. So I'm getting excited now because the sun is out and it seems like the perfect day to enjoy the beach day. कल जब हम लोग गए थे, it was quite cold. The weather was also very gloomy, so we could not go in the water. Aaj I think we will be able to. Finally managed to convince everybody to buy a swimsuit. Not everybody, but most of us have bought a swimsuit. Now we're about to go inside the water. It's a little cold. It's a little cold, but it's fine. And we also have this ball. Ye lo. So done with the beach day. Maza aa gaya aaj. The weather was perfect. Sun was out. We were able to go in the water. This was the best part of Albufeira for me. The Algarve region, the coastline and the views that we caught. The cliff जहाँ पे हमने walk करी थी was beautiful. So अब लग रहा है कि मतलब Portugal का coastline अच्छे से देखा है. बहुत अच्छा लगा. Now we're going to Vila Moura. It's also an old town. Since we had time today, अभी around 5:30 अभी हुए हैं. So we'll go there, we'll check that place out. And कल हमारा वैसे सारा booked है because we're taking a coastal tour. It will be a boat with 10-15 other people that you'll see tomorrow. So that's the update for now. Let's head back.
We're at the designer outlet in Algarve. So we're gonna try and see. Hopefully we should get some great discounts. Whether we get 50 to 70% off or not. So if we do, some of you back at home are gonna get really lucky. Some of you will not.
This is a huge place. You need to check the map and then see where to go. बहुत सारे brands हैं. हर nook and corner में there is some brand. So it's very difficult to cover the entire area. I don't think we'll be able to cover the entire area,
I
right?
don't think so, no.
So जो भी दिख रहा है, we're just going and checking the stuff out. We ordered some McDonald's. सब लोग को बहुत नींद आ रही है, सब लोग काफ़ी थके हुए हैं.
नींद नहीं आ रही. हमने ऐसे रास्ते में जब हम आ रहे थे ना, everybody took like a quick cat nap. I did a 20 minutes, so I'm raring to go.
So we'll carb up and then we'll burn those carbs. Guys, are we done with shopping?
Finally.
Did all of you get some good stuff?
We got some stuff. We'll
Some
find
stuff.
out if it's good or not.
तो अब I don't know if you can see my face or not, but अब बीच से वापस आने के बाद पूरा रेड हो गया है. I completely have the beach tan. Now we are going to head back. Everybody is really tired. And shopping करते करते रात हो गई and रात होते होते ठंड हो गई. तो जो हमने shopping करी थी वो तो मैंने पहन भी ली.
Yes.
This is our shopping. सबने काफ़ी सामान ले लिया. And funny thing, अभी तन्वी वैट के लिए लड़के आई है. And she was in the line and she realized कि इसको वापस मिलेंगे सिर्फ 2 यूरो. 2 यूरो कितने? 4 यूरो. 4 यूरो. तो पहले हमारा प्लान था कि हम यहाँ से स्ट्रिप जाएंगे या फिर कहीं डिनर के लिए बाहर जाएंगे. बट अब सबकी बैंड बज चुकी है. अब सबकी बैंड बज चुकी है. Now we just headed back to our Airbnb. हमने यहीं से स्पार से ग्रोसरीज ले लिए हैं. So we'll cook something and then call it a night. So yeah, that's the plan. We need to call it a night early today because कल फिर से 9:30 we have a nice excursion planned. So that's it for day 7. I hope you guys are enjoying watching these videos. I'll see you in the next one.